Welcome to Strive Preparatory Schools, where a revolutionary education is commonplace and attending college is expected. For the 2017-2018 school year, Strive Prep has 11 schools throughout Denver, serving around 3,700 scholars in grades K through 12. Strive Prep was founded 12 years ago with the belief that all families deserve access to a free, high-quality public education in their neighborhood. That's why we open schools throughout Southwest, Northwest, and far Northeast Denver, areas of Denver that have previously not had college preparatory programs easily accessible to families. Choosing a high-quality school for your child shouldn't be a revolutionary concept. At Strive Prep, we want to make it easier for families to choose and attend an excellent public school that's just right for them. We believe that every child deserves a demanding, standards-based education, that accountable community develops character, and great teachers are essential for academic success. At the center of our culture, we hold the Strive Prep values: scholarship, teamwork, respect, intelligence, virtue, and effort. We're proud of our values and weave them into every aspect of our work with scholars and families, the community, and each other. Together, these values help scholars strive for college. We know we are successful when our graduates earn college degrees and lead and transform their own communities through economic development and educational opportunity for all. We believe a high-quality public education should be well within the grasp of every student in every neighborhood of Denver. But we also know that for many students, that opportunity is out of reach. That's why we extend deep into communities we serve to become more accessible to all families who choose Strive Prep, including those who live down the street, around the corner, and at the end of the block. 87% of the students we serve are eligible for free or reduced lunch. 97% are students of color. 49% are English language learners, and 13% of our scholars receive special education services. We meet students exactly where they are, challenging, encouraging, and supporting every child with the tools and resources needed to push them beyond the limits of their previous achievements. At Strive Prep, we have two very important promises. One, your child will be safe. That means creating a warm, caring environment where teachers and staff work to protect the academic, physical, social, and emotional well-being of every child every day. Two, your child will be prepared for the opportunities and challenges of college. That means creating a learning environment that expands scholars' options for life after high school, college, and beyond. Call or email to schedule a visit today and come see what it means to strive for college.